Hello there! This month I am doing January, which means I'm doing a video every other day this month. And for today's video, we are making a Pokemon garden. Here are my supplies. I have some plants, I have some bowls and vases, and paint. Yeah, so let's start out by spray painting these and get them colored. I am going to open my windows now for ventilation because this is spray paint. Let's get going. I'm using dark blue spray paint for the Oddish, teal for the Bulbasaur. This is a painting tarp, so it's fine. Normally I recommend doing this outside, but it is very wet outside today, so I can't. Looking nice and shiny. I let those dry, and by the time I was doing the second coat, it was actually nice outside, so I did end up spraying out there. I mixed cream and green for Chikorita, and I added some white and pink paint to my palette. This I'll make into a Hoppip. Now that everything is good and dry, I'm adding some more colors to my palette to start painting the faces on the Pokemon. Oddish is easy. It has two little red eyes and a small pink mouth. I added two white dots to the eyes. Hoppip has two yellow eyes and a large smile I painted with brownish purple. And I added white dots to the eyes here as well. For Bulbasaur, I started with two lines for the eyes, arched them up into curved triangles, and filled them in. Then on the insides of the eyes, I painted them in red, added a bit of pink on top, and finished off with a white streak in the middle of them. Add green rectangles to the head, and a long, thin smile. For Chikorita, start by painting two large white eyes, add two red ovals to the center of the eyes, and a large white circle at the top of each red oval, as well as two small white dots. Paint 5 large green circles below the eyes, and in between add a curving smile. Lastly, for the Pokemon egg, add large green patches. Then, once everything is dry, add a layer of Mod Podge on top. Alright, now we just add the plants. Here's what I'm using for Bulbasaur. It's cute. Then we have Chikorita. Here we are with Oddish. Oh, it's so adorable. And then for this little guy, I have some little vines. And here they are. This one's my favorite. Here is the winner of my enamel pin for my last video. I do have new enamel pins that will be available on my Etsy this Friday. But until then, I have been doing giveaways on my videos, and so if you'd like a chance to win a pin, please leave a comment down below of anything you'd like. And I will pick the winner next video. He's definitely my favorite. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to like and subscribe. And again, I will be seeing you every other day this month. Bye, spice, spice, spice.